Hi, this is Brian Fogarty, and this is a video for Chapter 15 of the book Quantitative Social Science Data with R, second edition. So in this video, what we're going to do is run a linear regression where we have our satisfaction with the current political system as our outcome variable, and then the rest of the variables as our predictors. And we will also do a plot of the coefficients with the confidence intervals. All right, so we've seen this all before, so we're just going to get right into it here. We're going to do summary, and I'm going to name this Model 1. Okay, so we have Model 1, and then we have LM, and then our outcome variable, so pol syst underscore status tilde, and then all our other variables. So we're going to use strong leader as one of the predictors. Later on, we're going to use strong leader as an outcome variable and then use pol syst status as one of the predictors. Okay, so we have strong leader plus ideology plus responsibility plus confidence plus HH fin status plus age plus sex, put a space there, plus edu, comma, data equals Kenya subset. All right, let's highlight that and run that. Okay, let's quickly go over this because we're going to do interpretations after we do diagnostics on it. All right, so looking at the overall model on the bottom here, all right, the F-test is showing us that our overall model is statistically significant, right? So that means that our model is better than 1 where all the predictors equal 0, which again should be the case. The R squared is 0.11, so our model is explaining 11% of the variance in the outcome variable. That's not necessarily, so you might think this is low, and it might be low, but we're working with survey data, and survey data is notoriously difficult to get kind of good looking R squared values. So it's fine. Again, don't focus too much on the R squared value. It's not worth it. All right, let's come up here to the predictors. Let's see which ones are statistically significant. Again, there's multiple ways, redundant information here. The quick and short way is to look at the stars. So we see that we have 5. So 5 of the 8 predictors are statistically significant, and those are ideology, responsibility, confidence, HH fin status, and EDU. Ideology, responsibility, confidence, HH fin status, those have positive effects. So people who are more conservative think, people who think that it should be left up to individuals, or more things left up to individuals to look after themselves, people who have higher confidence in the national government, people with higher satisfaction in their household financial situation, have higher satisfaction in the current political system. And then EDU is negative, so people with higher levels of education have lower satisfaction in the political system. Again, we'll do sort of more technical, if you will, interpretations later on. All right, let's do a plot of the regression coefficients and confidence intervals. So we're going to use GGally model, as we've done before, from the GGally package. All right, so we need to load that, and then we will create the plot here. So we have GGally model and our saved model, model 1. So comma, and then we're just going to include a couple of options. There's a lot here. So in the previous videos, what we did was name these. rename the variables just so that they look clearer. We're gonna just not do it here just to save some time. All right, show p-values equals false. All right, signif stars equals false. And then we only have one nominal level variable. We have or specifically dummy variable, that's sex, but it's actually in there as numeric without labels. So we don't need to tell it to ignore the reference row. And then what we're going to do here is add in a title. Okay, predicting current political system satisfaction. All right. And then also what I do in the chapter is I change the plot title font size because this is kind of a long title. So we make it a little smaller. All right. And to do that, we use the theme function, and then we specify plot title equals and then element text. So that's how you element text is referencing a text part of the plot. We're going to say size equals 12. So font size 12. Okay, so let's highlight all this. Run it. Yay. So this, clicked on the wrong button. This comes up. I'm going to move it over and drag it a little. Okay. Oh, look, all these fun colors. All right. So understanding this is the same as we've seen before. All right. Each one of these dots, these are the coefficients for the different variables, and then the bars are the confidence intervals. If the confidence interval crosses 0, then it's not, that predictor is not statistically significant. Okay. If it's to the right of 0, then it's a positive effect. If it's to the left, it's negative. Right. This should always correspond to the regression results we saw in the window here. So so ideology, responsibility, confidence, fin, satis, all are significant and all are positive, and then education is significant and negative. Okay. So that is it for this video. The next one we're going to look at doing diagnostics on our model. So thanks for watching and see you next time.